Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to track attendance in Google Meet. In my previous video, I have explained how to schedule a meeting using Google Calendar. My previous videos links are available in my description box. Please do watch and support. In order to get into the Google Meet meeting, we have to do two things. One, we have to accept the link, and the second one, we have to join the meeting. So here I have already joined a meeting. So in the show everyone tab, you could see the people's tab. In this people's tab, you will be able to see the number of participants who are all participating this event. Here I have only two, the organizer and the participant. So it is very easy to take attendance if there is a fewer number of participants, but it is quite difficult to monitor the attendance if there is a large number of participants, let's say 150 or more than 150. So that was the biggest deal. So the Google provides various extensions to avoid this sort of inconvenience. Now, how to install these extensions onto my Google Chrome? It's very simple. Click onto this new tab, type here Chrome Web Store. Press enter. Click onto this Chrome Web Store, Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Google Meet Attendance. Here I am using an extension Google Meet Attendance. So you could see various extensions available. Number one, Google Meet Attendance. Second one, Google Meet Attendance Collector. And the third one, Meet Attendance. Whichever is appropriate to you, you can add it to the Chrome. Here I am using Google Meet Attendance. I have already added to my Chrome. So when you click onto this, you could be able to see the instructional video of how to use this extension and the overview of the extension. Since I have already added, the icon will be available here. When you add the extensions to Chrome, the particular extension icon will be added to Chrome and you will be able to see it in the Chrome. Google Meet Attendance, if you could see here, Google Meet Attendance. Okay, coming back to the meeting session. Initially, when you open this meeting, after adding this extension, you will be able to see a white screen window. That window shows instructions of how to use this extension. After you close that dialog box, you will get this small white screen window. This window is called class field window. Okay, and in addition to this, you could see the various icons available here. And this icon, folder like icon, help you to load previously stored file from your PC. If you have a name or the participants list on your folder, you could load it from the computer to here. And this eraser like icon helps to clear the attendance checks. And the third icon helps to clear the class list itself. And this icon is to save the attendance. So the good feature of this Google Meet extension is, in case any of the participant leave the meeting due to some network issue and later they rejoin it, so their name with the current time is updated automatically in the class list. So after the meeting gets over, you can download this file. This file format is in the CSV file format, and later you can transfer to your appropriate format. There are two ways to see the participants list. One is by clicking the People's tab, you will be able to see the participants, and the second one is the class list. So this is how we monitor attendance using this Google Meet extension. Okay, after you save, I just want to show after the save how the file could be. So here I have already downloaded the CSV format file. See, this is how it appears. I'll increase the font size for the better performance. Here, see the detail of the meeting, the name and the arrival time of the meeting, who are all the participants who have been participated, shows like this. So capturing attendance using Google Meet extension is very easy. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please do watch and support me. Thank you so much.